My name is Richard Neci. I'm the Executive Director of Ecumenical Pharmaceutical Network. We are based in Nairobi, but we work in 27 countries in Africa. I've really seen a very wonderful work going on at Access to Medicine Foundations. And this is the engagement, the motivation of pharmaceutical companies, the benchmarking is really making change. And one time I talked to the team and say, we can see the value of this work, because some years ago it was not easy to see pharmaceutical companies moving in the global health approach. It was supplying product, trying to make sure the products are available, pushing for increasing sales, but all the actions were oriented to move the product to the end users. But the matters of price was not really discussed, and I really like how Access to Medicine Foundation is pushing all the three components: affordability, quality, and availability. So it's really an interesting work. We work in 27 countries in Africa, supporting the CHF system to ensure that medicines reach the last mile level. We monitor the availability. We have tools developed to monitor the availability. But since we started discussing with Access to Medicines, I found that even our tools are missing the price component to see how the prices and the quality are met at the facility level. Now we are trying to put it on the center. We are actually planning to review to do our midterm review for our strategic plan. And I can tell you, at the center, affordability will be there. And we are willing also to join Access to Medicine Foundation in this movement, because being at last mile level, we know the challenges. And I think our work downstream and Access to Medicine Foundation work upstream, engaging pharma companies, we will meet at a very right place. There is a lot which is being done around these sessions. I was interested, even before joining the last year session, to learn on all the previous roundtables done here in Amsterdam. And being part of the last one, I thought it was necessary for us to understand our own challenges before joining this session. And this was interesting for us to conduct a survey in the faith-based sector, and we found that there is really huge challenges. That's why these sessions are really important. I know it's the same for all the participants. They have to prepare themselves to understand their own solutions, the challenges, and bring them on the table. And there is always a lot to learn from others. For me, one, they have to keep pushing. They have already started doing very well. We have good examples, and we really appreciate and value all those commitments and how they are trying to push to achieve those commitments. Our joint message to them is that please continue. We are encouraged when we see you pushing in that direction. So this is one. The second, we need pharma companies to continue addressing the pricing issue. This is important. We cannot talk, we need quality, but we need the price to be affordable. This is what I took, and I think together we are asking them to push for pricing mechanisms which make the product affordable at all the levels of the supply system, especially at the last mile level. And the third one, which I feel we are not moving fast in it, we need local production. especially in low and middle income countries, local production. COVID has demonstrated that with the vaccine nationalism, we cannot leave the NCD's space while we all understand that we need local production. That's why there are good initiatives. I know one which is progressing. We need more pharma companies to do that.